Hi guys, this is a guide on how to replace audio inside a video file. You will need this splendid little program. It can do very much but is quite small.
Who uses your internet banking for making transactions, sir?
Just download one of these
So as a payment is not authorized by you, it needs to be cancelled. So we are
or
gonna help
this
you with the
free one.
cancellation process.
It's a
Sir, before the
standalone
verification, could you
application,
please
so
confirm
just
me?
extract and run the X file.
Did you purchase anything
And
online or
yes,
got
link
connected to
in
any public
description.
Wi-Fi?
This is what you see when you open the lossless
What?
cut. Now drag your file of interest.
ये आदमी वही आपके आपको बोला व्हाइट शर्ट सौरभ को मेरे को बोल रहा यू आर वेयरिंग अ लाइट पर्पल शर्ट
Find your start point and also the end
आप
point.
बात करो आप
Be
किससे
sure
बात
to
कर
click export.
Yeah, hi, it's Daisy, and I'm calling you from the security chain of Visa and Mastercard, and it's a verification call. Did you make any payment to United States for $1,800 today?
No.
Okay, and apart from you, is there anyone else who uses your internet banking for making transactions, sir? So as the payment is not authorized by you, it needs to be cancelled. So
You
we are
can
gonna help
even
you with
cut
the
out two
cancellation
parts and
process.
fuse them together like
So just
this.
for the verification, could you please
Be
confirm
sure
me?
to click
In the
export.
last 2 days, did you purchase anything online or got connected to any public Wi-Fi? What? अंजू दी ये आदमी वही आपके आपको बोला व्हाइट शर्ट सौरभ को मेरे को बोल रहा यू आर वेयरिंग अ लाइट पर्पल शर्ट
You can even do this.
आप बात करो
It's
आपको इंटरनेट
crazy.
बैंकिंग फॉर मेकिंग ट्रांजैक्शन सर So as the payment is not authorized by you, it needs to be cancelled. So we are gonna help you with the cancellation process. For internet banking for making transactions, sir. So as
Well,
the payment is not
that's
authorized
about
by
it.
you,
Subscribe for more.
so we are gonna help you with the
Thanks for
cancellation process.
watching.